Hey, how's it, Aloha gang? We're back at City Mill with more do-it-yourself projects, and if you're looking to refresh your cabinets, paint is a great cost-effective way to do so. We have our paint expert, Christine, joining us over here. Beyond Paint, how is that changing the way we look at these cabinets?
Beyond Paint is an innovative project paint that is great for freshening up furnitures in a small area like cabinets, countertops, and more. Here at City Mill, we do carry 19 pre-mixed colors that our DIYers can choose from. The Beyond Paint is specifically made for furnitures, countertops, and cabinets. It is not meant for larger areas like walls and rooms. And it has an all-in-one feature. That means no sanding, no stripping, and no priming needed. As long as your project is clean of oil and grease, then you're good to go to paint.
All right, Christine, let's paint. Where do we start?
This is one of the colors that we carry. This is the Nantucket color. Nice and green.
And again, though, that's what's so great. No primer needed, right? Because then you can just go ahead and save some time, save some money.
You just go ahead and paint. Start at the corner, then just go down.
Oh my gosh, Christine, I made a mistake.
That's totally fine, because Beyond Paint is water-based. You can go ahead and wipe it off in water.
Did you hear that? Rookie painters, you're in luck. Okay.
So for the smaller areas where your roller cannot reach, you can just go ahead and use a small paintbrush.
Okay, Christine, I think yours looks a little bit better than mine, but this Nantucket color really brightens this cabinet up.
Yes.
So if people at home or in the office, you want to bring new life and they want to get more info on Beyond Paint, how do people do it?
So Beyond Paint is available at all City Mill locations and also at citymill.com.
Brought to you by City Mill.